Hey, this video is about a door, a fence gate rather, that I made in the autumn of 2019. And I installed in the gate, in the fence in the spring of 2020 this year. But the portions of the video that follow were recorded in the autumn of 2019. And I thought it was perhaps of some value to show them to you, to see how I built the gate. The lumber that I obtained when I built it was pretty low quality, and so I had to do a lot of planing to it, and I had to clean it up quite a bit and treat it because it was mildewed. Some of it was eaten through. So I used it as it was. I didn't want to have too much waste, and so I didn't cut all of the lumber to the same dimensions in terms of width, and so you'll see different widths in the door that I left as it was as I cleaned them in order to use as much of the lumber as possible. This is a fence gate, so clearly the carpentry is not even close to the carpentry that you would have to employ for something that you use indoors, right, for indoor furniture or for woodworking. This is rough carpentry, you know, for gates, for fences. But the gate is finished. It was installed in the fence, and as you'll see at the end of the video, the fence isn't complete yet. I've just got something temporary in place there now. It's going to be a lot taller than it is in the photos, and I've indicated that on the photos. You'll see I've put lines where the fence is going to rise, or rather to what height the fence is going to rise. So hope this is helpful for some of you if you're interested in this sort of thing. All right. Hey, just wanted to show you a bit of work that I've been doing lately. Among other things, I've been working on a door, an exterior door. So this is very rough construction. It's like a barn door type of construction. So let me just show you where I am right now. I still have to finish it, but it's like an intermediate stage. Yeah, this is it. It's a 2x1 door, so 2 meters tall, 1 meter wide. I like my doors big and wide. I don't like them tiny. So this is what I meant about the fact that it's a rough construction, barn door type of deal. This is the hinge side, so I'm going to have 3 hinges here, 2, 3, and that's going to be the latch side. And so where I am right now is that I've been, obviously it's all squared up, it's all cut, and it's almost completely sanded and ready to be painted. By the way, this is just my little workshop here set up in the attic at the parochial house. It's just a quickly set up place so I can do a bit of work before winter comes. So this door, I do like to over-engineer my doors, so this means that this has been glued, screwed, and doweled. So this is a dowel mark here, for example. Let me show you. That's one, and there's another, and there's another, and so on and so forth, all along the various joints and places where I need to brace up the door to ensure that it doesn't go askew. So yeah, right now I'm gonna put in some filler and the little places in the cracks and the screw marks. You see the little depressions where the screws went, because I countersunk the screws to make sure that I could still sand the wood and not sand the surface of the screw, just so it's nice and tight, and then I can fill in these holes, and it's as if the screws were never put in. So yeah. Okay, well, back to work. Maybe I'll do a quick after video once the door is done and maybe in place. Okay, so I'm done with the caulking. It's hardened, I've sanded it. It's not perfect, but then again, this is an outdoor gate and a fence, so I'm not looking for perfection, I'm looking for sturdiness. And durability. That's the word I was looking for. So it's done. I'm about to treat the wood with a substance that will protect it against various wood fungus and wood mushroom and wood lice, and then I'm going to paint it. I think tomorrow, hopefully, this primer, this treatment for the wood will dry by tomorrow. So this is the outside of the gate. Let me see if I can do it one-handed, because that's the side that you saw in the previous section of the video was, excuse me for a second here. Okay, well, that was a bit of an adventure. I almost fell down, but this is the side that you saw in the previous version of the video, in the previous section of the video. So yeah, this is the inside part of it, the one that's going to sit inside the fence, and then that portion of it is the outside. So yeah, okay, well, let's see how this turns out once I've primed and painted it.